Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
First order of this evening shift, $7.75. No, $7.57 for a couple miles right over here at Papa John's. Got us a pizza order. I think it might be time for me to get a new recording device because this Z Flip 3 starting to give me issues. It's not letting me record mode, which is like the mode where I keep the phone closed and I'm able to basically record my videos super easy. I think it might be time to go ahead and get something else because it's not easy like it used to be. I'm finna go ahead and drop this pizza order off. See how much we can scoop up this evening. It's like 5:45 right now. Off to a late start. Where is number 5? What the hell is up with these addresses? Number 5. There we go. Look, I got this Doordash pizza bag so I get prioritized on pizza orders. It always comes in handy. I got a few pizza spots up the street from my house. It's always nice getting those guaranteed pizza orders. $7.57 on that one. Huh. Of course they wouldn't be recording for that clip. $12.25 for 10 miles is what they just it's gonna stay right there. But I'll consider this one $5.25 for 2.6 at Wendy's, and I'm already right around the corner. Should I take that? Yeah, I'll take that one. So we just dropped off a Wendy's order. That one came in at $5.25 for like 2 or 3 miles. And now we got our next order. We're gonna be going to My Pizza on this one. And this one came in at $7.75 for 3.7 miles, if I'm not mistaken. But the thing is, they sent me this order while I was at the previous customer's address. So a lot of the miles on this order are just me traveling from where I was at to My Pizza. And looking at this map here, the distance from My Pizza to the delivery destination is about equal to from the distance that I am right now away from the merchant. So I would really cut the miles in half. It's probably like a 1.5 mile order. Now my only issue is last 4 times I've been to My Pizza, they were ridiculously slow. I'm hoping this is not the case because they sent me an offer that I didn't want to turn down. If this offer would have said, for example, $6.50 for the same mileage, I probably would have turned it down based on my previous interactions at My Pizza. But since it's saying $7.75, that's not something I want to take a chance on, so I had to go ahead and take that. You can possibly get a stack coming out of My Pizza, so I can get another My Pizza order or something from any one of the other merchants that's right there. So I had to take it, guys. Now we pulling up right now. Hopefully they send me something, but if not, it's cool. That's a 1.7 mile distance from the merchant, so I'm good with that. So this is My Pizza right here. We got Home Goods, we got La Fonda Mexican Restaurant, Snooks, Penn Station. Now I like My Pizza because they got these curbside pickup spots. Now they got all the lights on in there, and I can see that it's not terribly busy in there. But the thing is, I need to know how many pizzas they got up in that oven, because that's gonna dictate how long I'm gonna wait on this order. Now I think I see another Dasher in there picking up an order as well. That's a good sign. And I think I might see an order over there too. Let's see if they got my order ready. Looks like DoorDash decided to send me an add-on plus $6 for an additional 0.9 delivered by 707. Yeah, those sound like reasonable stipulations to me. Let's go ahead and accept that. Now My Pizza had the order ready to go, so that's perfect. We finna head on over to Applebee's and hopefully they got that thing ready. So we just made it to Applebee's. Let's see if they got that thing ready. They usually pretty good about having them ready. Ooh, I think I might be in luck. Let's see. Got an order right here. Is that the name? Yep, that's the name I'm looking for. Applebee's for the win. So now I can keep my wheels rolling. Go ahead and get both of these orders dropped off. I should be at least 25 bucks with these 2 orders. This is a $13 run right here. 12 bucks on it. Yeah, I should be at 25 bucks right after. Next up. I ain't never seen an order like this. $10.50, 3.7 miles, Jack in the Box, and Chick-fil-A. Hey, if they want to stack them orders together like that, and the miles to money makes sense, I'll take it all day long. This says 3.7 miles. I'm being called over there. And the crazy part is this should be a diamond order. This should have high priority on it because that's definitely 2 to 1 miles to money ratio. But maybe the algorithm just ain't picked up on the chat. We're going to go ahead and accept that. Keep these, fix that. Now Jack in the Box is right down the street, so we finna go ahead and check in the Jack in the Box, and then once we get that Jack in the Box order, we gonna slide over to Chick-fil-A. My Chick-fil-A is really good. They always have the orders ready. I'm not gonna say always. 90% of the time they have the orders ready, and if they not, you only gotta wait a few minutes after that, and it'll definitely be ready. And with the miles to money ratio being 2 to 1, almost 3 to 1 really, because it say 10.50. That's a really odd looking order. It's just really odd. This is the third time I've seen DoorDash stack a Chick-fil-A order just in the last 2 days. So this is a good sign, because once they stack Chick-fil-A orders, is going to increase your opportunities out on the road. Chick-fil-A is one of my best spots that I pick up from. They usually have the order ready, and it's usually a high paying order, or at least good miles to money ratio. So now with me being able to do Chick-fil-A orders and stack them with other orders, or get sent a Chick-fil-A stack, or get an add-on, that's just more money in the FDA Dash and Trader pocket. And so Chick-fil-A's down there, Jack in the Box right here. Righty, we approaching Jack in the Box now. This order has a large chocolate shake. Not a big fan of that. Looks like they got a cheesecake overload, a large french fry, and 2 tacos. So not a really huge order by any means, but I'm glad that they was able to pair this order up with that Chick-fil-A order to make it a profitable trip for me. Now, this Jack in the Box happened to be one of the ones that's drive-through pickup, and I love it, because a lot of times when you go inside for these fast food merchants, they really don't be in a rush to get that food done in a timely manner for you. But once you hit that drive-through, it makes their timer get started. Once you get up to that drive-through window, they got a sensor that detects cars, and it's gonna detect you pulling up, and it's gonna get their timer going. So they have more incentive to go ahead and get that order done and get it out to you. Alrighty guys, Jack in the Box was a little bit behind getting those orders out, but it's all good though. I got the Jack in the Box picked up, and I'm not finna trip too much about it because I just got some awesome, amazing news. So if you've been following the channel for a little while, you will know that the Chick-fil-A that I pick up from there quite a bit. And there's been a lot of construction going on over at the Chick-fil-A. We actually getting ready to pull up right now. And this is the first time ever that I will be making a left turn at the light that we are approaching right now. This is all brand new construction, guys. I'm about to make this left turn. And now, for the first time ever, I no longer need to travel all the way around to make it to my chicken spot. Now, we get easier access to Chick-fil-A. I'm about to be picking up my orders faster, and I also got to start stopping at this stop sign for real. Look at these people. They not used to it, but they gonna get used to it real quick, because that road is open now, and I got to get that chicken. Take y'all up in here with me.
Sorry.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Nope, that thing is not ready. That's crazy. That is crazy. They always have them ready. Well, I guess not this time. That's cool though. Like I said, if it's not ready, it usually only take them a couple minutes to get it together. Well, it didn't take too much longer. Like I said, if they don't have it ready, it usually just takes them a couple more minutes, and then you'll be good to go. So now we can go ahead and hit confirmed on the Chick-fil-A part of this order. I already confirmed it. Why is it asking me, do I want to unassign? I've confirmed it. I can't unassign it after confirming. That's crazy, dude. Let's go ahead and see what we got. We got a 5-minute drive. Not bad. I like it. It's going to be a game changer now that this construction is over with, because that's been one of the things that's been increasing my delivery time when it comes to picking up at my chicken spot. And like I said before, I am at this Chick-fil-A a lot throughout the course of a week. I wouldn't even try to count, because it's going to be definitely over 20 or 30 times that I make it to this spot every single week. So this is a huge improvement. I'll even give you an example. Right now, I'm heading to the stop sign. I'm about to head right back to that traffic light. And normally, I would have to spend at least another minute looping around just to get to the main road. And as you can see all these bright lights, I'm right here on the main road already. I can continue on my route without anything impeding me or my deliveries. Let's get it. All right, let's see. Is this the right address? Yes, it is. Man, that Jack in the Box customer had the nerve to text me, hey, how long it's gonna be on this order? Man, they sent me a stack. If you don't texting me, asking me how long it's gonna be, and let me get that picture, by the way, too. Stop playing. All right, get that Jack in the Box dropped off. No light, can't see nothing. Great. These people do not know how to leave a light on. It's all good. Got that one dropped off. Whew. Alrighty, guys. So next up, DoorDash sent me this offer. $8.75 for 6.4 miles at Dewey's Pizza. And we're here now. I didn't accept this order. It just ain't. It's sending you too far away from this pizza spot. And on top of that, 6.4 miles take you outside of the zone. I couldn't take that, guys. Even though it's 1-to-1, it's a chance for a cash tip. It's a chance you can get a stack. Just not the order for me, guys, because I don't like to gamble like that when I'm out doing DoorDash. Now, if I want to gamble, I'll go on over to the casino and I'll put some money on red or some money on black. But as far as when I'm trying to earn money, I can't gamble with my earnings. And $8.75 for 6.4 miles, that's a gamble when it comes to the DoorDash and when it comes to your earnings. But after declining that one, DoorDash went on and blessed me with this one, $9 plus for 3 miles. And guess where it's at? Right here at Dewey's Pizza. And guess what? We will be picking it up. Because I say, look, that's 3-to-1 miles to money ratio. And DoorDash is letting me know this one is going to go up. These are the kinds of orders I like to take. This is something that I can work with. And even if it's a few minutes of wait time, I'm cool with that. Because it's 3-to-1 miles to money. It's not taking me out of my zone. And it's indicating that it's going to go up. So everything is pointing in the right direction for me to accept this order. And that's exactly what we did. So we probably got about another, 4 or 5 minutes. And I'm cool with that. I'll wait for that. I might get a stack. But if not, I'm going to get at least an extra quarter on this order. Let's go. An extra quarter on the order. Alrighty, guys. We made it to our delivery destination. And hopefully I can get all this done with one hand. But they got like 4 pieces back here, guys. They wouldn't even fit into the pizza bag. Let me see if I can make it happen. I have to get my hand up under this thing. There we go. I'll go ahead and give them that front door service. House is like a freaking mansion. 18 rooms. This is crazy. Sit that right there. Sit that one there. $9 plus turns into $12.75. Good enough for me. The time is now 7:54. So according to my Dash app, I've been out since 5:46. So that gives me a total of 2 hours and 10 minutes. Not bad. Sitting at 49 bucks and some change. Return to Dash. Yes, $49.82 for 2 hours and 10 minutes. I can dig it. Let's see if we get anything next. It's pretty dark. A lot of the merchants are closing up, but a lot of the pizza spots are still jamming. And I am in the pizza bag program. So let's see if we can continue to jam. I cannot make this up. I haven't seen an order this big since I was in the large order program. $25 each for 12.2 miles at Buffalo Wild Wings. I stared at this order for 5 seconds. I said, it's probably gonna be a whole nother year before I see a straight up $25 offer hit my phone. That's 2-to-1 miles to money ratio. And yes, it's probably gonna be round trip miles, probably gonna be a 25-mile round trip, but I'm not passing up a $25 bill on one order. And it's a possibility to get a stack. Now, I might not, but with this kind of offer, look, I could not pass this up. Look, we at Buffalo Wild Wings now. I'm already here. I've already checked in, but the delivery time is still 10 minutes away. That means they literally called me to this order, and it had to not be nobody else out here with a large order program because I never see orders like this. I mean, never. Unless I would, except for last year when I was in a large order program, I seen orders like this then, but I have not seen an order like this in over a year. And that's for sure. So we at Buffalo Wild Wings. We finna check in. This order right here gonna put me at 75 bucks. That's look. Anytime you see a $25 order and it's 2-to-1 miles to money ratio, I'm never finna tell you not to take that. You probably always should be taking an order like that. So we finna slide up in here real quick, see if they got this thing ready, and then hopefully they do. I cannot make this up, guys. I went in there. They had this order ready to go. It was ready to go. This reminds me of them large order program days where you get a fat order, you just know it's over $100 worth of food. I mean, this bag is so big, they could have fit all of this food in 2 bags, guys. But they stuffed it all in one. 2 drinks on this thing, $25, showing me the full upfront tip on a 12-mile order. Great tipping customer. They understand how the system works, that if you really far away and you want that food to tip good, this feels like a large order program customer, guys. Now look, it couldn't have got no better. I got this order right when I dropped the last one off. It was in a direction I was already going. 25 bucks added to the tally. Now I'm about to hit this main road, then hit the highway, and then we make it. Alrighty, guys, we have made it to our delivery destination that is 12 miles away. I already took the sodas up to the door because they had 2 sodas, and there was no way I was gonna be able to carry all this stuff and my phone and my microphone. So I got this sodas up there already. Dropping off the food now. 25 bucks for 12 miles. This is the first time in so long that I've seen such a huge payout. Showing that full up. Let's go. So now we're sitting at $75 for 2.5 hours on DoorDash. Let's get it. $20.50 on that tip on that order, guys. That's absolutely amazing. Now if they want to send me something else like that, I'll take that all day long.